Hi, I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a stripped screw. I've got one screw here in this door hinge that just spins and spins, and it's really not holding anything. So I'm going to do the simplest thing I know of, and that's to use a toothpick in the hole to help add some material to that hole for the screw to actually grip into something. So really simple. Everybody's got toothpicks. If you don't have toothpicks, just take a utility knife and whittle off a little piece of wood off of some piece of scrap or something. So really simple. Just remove the screw that's giving you issues. Take your little piece of wood or toothpick or whatever you have, kind of put it in, push it in there, break it off, push it in, break it off. Just kind of basically fill up that hole. I can't get another one really in there. Oh, maybe. No, not quite. So that should do it for us. So just add some substance to the already stripped hole so the threads have something to grip into. So I'll just try to reinsert my screw. Did it. That's all you need to do. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and go check out the rest of our videos.